You say you got a girl. Yeah, you want.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I'm doing a little simple sit down video, and today's gonna be my current favorites. So I'm probably gonna pick a few songs and stuff to go in here too, but mainly just have some makeup and like food and stuff like that. So yep. And also, if you recognize this makeup, I did a tutorial on it. I'm not sure which video is gonna be up first, but if the video on Let's Okay isn't up yet, it will be coming. So yep, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because my goal for the end of the year or summer or something, I don't remember, is 500. So make sure you like and subscribe, and yep, let's just get started. So for makeup favorites, I have a little variety, I don't know. So I guess I'll start with my lips. So my current lip favorites have been the Rimmel Tiramisu lip liner and the Anastasia Naked liquid lipstick. And this is what it looks like, and my tiramisu. I'm wearing this lip liner right now, and I've been using this a lot in my videos recently. You guys are honestly probably getting annoyed, but it's my favorite nude ever. So that is my favorite lippy. My favorite lashes I'm actually wearing right now. These are the Broadway Dreamy lashes. They're on my eyes. I absolutely love these. They're super like lightweight and natural, but still kind of glam at the same time. I can get away with wearing these without wearing any eyeshadow or liner or anything. So I absolutely love them, and they're so cheap. Next, I have a foundation. My favorite foundation right now has been the Too Faced Born This Way. I've been using this as a mixing more than anything. Like, I'll do 2 pumps of this and then like a pump of something else just to mix it. And I love this as like a base foundation and like a mixing foundation. It's so amazing, and it's a little dark by itself, but like if I mix it with something, it's my perfect shade. So I absolutely love this foundation like so much. Next, I have the Sleek Makeup highlighting palette, and this is in Solstice. I just got this recently. Ooh. And the inside, it looks like this. It's so pretty, and you can use this for like a natural look, but it's more of like a super bright blinding highlight. But you can obviously like tone it down a little bit and not make it so blinding and dramatic. Next, I have the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. You guys see this all the time on my channel. I just use this for so many of my colorful looks. It's such a pretty palette. I really want to get the Morphe 35B just because it's like a bigger version of this. So I would really like to get that palette. And that's everything for makeup. Now I'll get into like food and lifestyle-ish stuff, and then I'll get into music and TV shows, and then we'll be done. So I'll start with lifestyle. I just have 2 things. First, I have this OGX Quenching Coconut Curls curling styling milk. Really helps with my frizz. I know I look really frizzy right now, but it's getting kind of like humid lately. But I use this to help with my frizz, and it helps define my curls a little bit more, and it smells so good. So I'm obsessed with this. And then I have a book, and I think it's the author that I also really like. The author's name is Robin Schneider, and the book that I'm currently reading is Extraordinary Means. But I also read The Beginning of Everything by this author. This is what the book looks like. I absolutely love this book so much. I have like a little less than 100 pages left. I love to read so much. Like, I have my favorite books right there. And I don't know. Books are just like a really good escape for me. Like, books and makeup and music are the 3 things that I need in my life. So yeah, that's an amazing book if you need a book recommended. 2 food items, and they're both not healthy, but it's probably fine. So first is the Cadbury cream eggs. I like the mini ones because I can just like pop one in my mouth. But I got a bunch of these for Easter, and I love them. This is my 2nd or 3rd pack, and they're just so good. Like, if you ever had one, you have to go get them sometime, find them, figure out a way to get them. And then next I have the Girl Scout cookie Thin Mints. These are the best ones, these and Samoa's. And I'm almost out of these two. And Girl Scout cookies aren't going to be out much longer, so if you want some Thin Mints, go get you some. So that's everything for like lifestyle. And now let's get into music and TV shows. So I have my iPad right here with my Spotify playlist. And I'm not going to play the songs, but I'm just going to like name off a few of my favorites right now. So some of my favorites are Wait a Minute by Willow. I really like Cherry Cola by Quada. I don't really know if that's how you say it. I like Psycho by Post Malone. That song is so good. Come Over by Mabel. R.I.P. by Olivia O'Brien. That song just puts you in your feels. Like, I'm obsessed with that song. I love Leather in the Rain by Tyga. Yes, that's a good, like, jamming song. I like Beautiful by Bazzi. I think that's how you say it. That's such a good song. Like, I just love that song. Here's some of my super, like, amazing favorites. So I love Rose Rendezvous by Corey Cartier. This song is so good. Like, when I'm in the shower getting ready, I jam to that song. High Maintenance by Shadi. Love that song. Marilyn Monroe by K Camp. Medicine by Queen Najava. I like Heaven by Kane Brown. You Make It Easy by Jason Aldean. I love that song. Call Out My Name by The Weeknd. His new like album. I like most of the songs. Call My Name, Wasted Times, and Privilege by him. And then last but not least, I like Alone by Halsey. So those are my song favorites right now. It's kind of a lot, but I'm always listening to music. And then some of my show favorites would be Life Sentence, Riverdale. I love both of those shows. I just watched Stranger Things again, and then maybe some of my favorite YouTubers lately have been Haley Maris. I like Rachel Cantu, always a favorite. The Ace Family is really good. I'm trying to remember who I really like. I guess that's all for now. And yeah, that's all my song, YouTube, and show favorite. Okay guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was just kind of like a quick sit down chatty video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so we can hit that goal. And let me know what some of your current favorites are right now. I love you all so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.
Say,